Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. Let h be differentiable at number 4 and suppose that h of number 4 equals to negative number 1. First, the derivative of the function at h of number 4 equals to number 1. So we have this function in here. They want to find first the derivative of the function of f at s equal to number 2. So now I will show you how to answer. We have this one. Now, if we do first the derivative of the function, we need to apply about the product rule of the derivative. So that means if we have y equal to ab, so if we do first the derivative, you do first the derivative of a multiplied by b. Later that we do first the derivative of b multiplied by a. So this one is about a, this one is about b. So if we do first the derivative, we will do first the derivative of s squared multiplied by h of s squared. Later that we do first the derivative of h of s squared multiplied by s squared. Now we continue use another power rule of the derivative. So if we have y equals to s to the power of n, if we do first the derivative, you got about n with s to the power of n minus 1. Now we have number 2, so we put number 2 in here, number 2 in here, number 2 in here. You got about 2s. Now let's go to the second one. The next one we apply, that's about chain rule of the derivative. For example, if we have y equals to the function f of capital A like this, so if we do first the derivative, we do first the derivative of capital A multiplied by f of capital A with first the derivative. Now we can apply this one for this one. So we will have about first the derivative of s squared multiplied by h with first the derivative of s squared. This one we know that that's about 2s. And now after we calculate about this one, we can put number 2 go in here. Two with number 2, you got about 4. This one you got about number 4. 2 with number 2, you got about 4. And we have 2 square in here, you got about 16. And this one you got about number 4. Now for this one, we have negative number 1. And this one, we got about positive number 1. And now we simplify. This one you have negative number 4. This one you have 16. 16 minus 4, you got about 12. The answer C. This is the end. Thank you for watching.